Hi children, welcome to our class, and today's class we are going to see chapter 2, and today we are going to learn new words and did you know part. Okay children, now it's time for prayer. Children, everyone close your eyes and pray the God. Now I am going to sing the prayer song. Close your eyes, sit straight, good. Asato ma Satgamaya Tamaso ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityoma Amrutam Gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Okay children, slowly breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Okay children, slowly open your eyes. Or you feel fresh? Okay children, now let's move on to our topic. Chapter 2. The title is The Bumblebee. The title is The Bumblebee. Okay children, and today we are going to learn new words. Children, are you ready to learn? Okay children, everyone take your English concept book and take page number 21. Take it fast children. Take page number 21 in your concept book. Okay children, see the first new word. Tulip tree. Tulip tree, it's native Eastern North America and it can grow to more than 50 meter and 160 feet. And it can grow mostly in forest and mountains, and it is famous for its beautiful bold color shapes. So listen children, tulip tree it's மோஸ்ட்டாக எங்கேருந்து வரும் பார்த்திங்கன்னா எங்கே அதிகமாக இருக்குன்னா ஈஸ்ட் நார்த் அமெரிக்கன் சைடில் தான் இது அதிகமாக க்ரோ ஆகும். ஸோ இட் கேன் க்ரோ மோர் தென் 50 மீட்டர். ஸோ 50 மீட்டர் வரைக்கும் இது ரொம்ப ஹைட்டாக வரும்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. தென் இது அதிகமாக எங்கே வரும் பார்த்திங்கன்னா ஃபாரஸ்ட்டு மவுண்டெயின் ஏரியாஸில் தான் இது அதிகமாக க்ரோ ஆகும். அண்ட் இதுக்கிட்ட என்ன ரொம்ப இந்த ட்ரீயில் என்ன ஃபேமஸ்ன்னு பார்த்திங்கன்னா அதோடைய ஃப்ளார்ஸ் தான். பியூட்டிஃபுல் ஃப்ளார்ஸும் டிஃப்ரெண்ட் ஷேப்ஸ்லேயும் இருக்கிறனால தான் இது ரொம்ப ஃபேமஸான ஒன்றுன்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. கிளியர் சில்ட்ரன்? குட். அண்ட் see the next one. Bumblebee. See the next word. Bumblebee. And see the third one. Lake. Lake. லேக்னா நமக்கு தெரியும் இல்லைங்களா, குளம். குட். அண்ட் see the last one. Flew. Flew. Flew means flying. Fly பண்ணுறோன்னு ஃப்ளையோட past form தான் flew. Okay children, now I am going to read these new words. Listen children and repeat along with me. Okay children, new words, repeat along with me. Tulip tree, bumblebee, lake, flew. Okay children, I hope everyone cleared about these new words. Shall we move to the next one children? Good. Now we are going to learn did you know part. Okay children, everyone ready? Okay children, everyone take page number 20 in your concept book. Children, take page number 22 in your concept book. Now I am going to read did you know part. Children, everyone listen carefully and everyone keep your finger on the line. Okay children? Good. Did you know there are 3 types of bees in a hive? There are 3 types of bees in a hive. The queen bee, the worker bee and the drone. the queen bee, the worker bee and the drone. Drone சொன்னோம்னா ஆண் தேனி. ஓகேங்களா? Good. And see the next one. Children, keep your finger on the line and listen carefully. Honey bees fly at 23 kilometers per hour. Honey bees fly at 22 kilometers per hour. And see the next one. The queen bee can lay up to 2500 eggs every day. The queen bee can lay up to 2500 eggs every day. And see the last one, children. Without bees, we may lose all crops and plants. Without bees, we may lose all crops and plants. Crop means பயிர் சொல்கிறோம்ல, பயிர் வகைகள், அதுதான் crops-ன்னு சொல்கிறோம். So listen children, I hope everyone cleared about this did you know part. Okay children, good. Now it's time for homework, and today's homework is make sentences using chapter 2 new words. Refer concept book. Children, you just try to make sentences using chapter 2 new words. Refer your concept book. Just try to make simple sentence, children. Okay children, once you're done your homework, post it in Google Classroom grade 2 English. Don't forget it, children. Okay children, good. Stay safe and stay home, children. Drink more water, eat healthy fruit and vegetables. Okay children, good. Stay safe and stay home. Thank you children, thank you so much. We will see in the next class. Thank you.